So today I'll be showing you a very beautiful Airbnb. So this is the entrance. Here is the entrance. From the entrance, that is how the sitting area looks like from the doorway. It's very beautiful, very beautiful. This is a dining table. It's a 4-seater dining table. There is a sitting area. You can see it's very beautiful. Sitting area is very beautiful. I really like it. So from the doorway, the right side is the bathroom, the washroom area. That's how it looks like. You can see, very clean. I really like the place. Yeah, that's the bathroom there. Very beautiful, very clean. I like the fact that the place is very clean. I really like that. Yeah, that is the bathroom. Then we go to the sitting area. I've already shown you the dining table. So this is the kitchen, and here there is a cabinet. Before we enter the kitchen, there is a cabinet here. Yeah, the washing machine is fitted in here. You can see the iron boxes there. Yeah, and the ironing board is here. The ironing board. I really like the arrangement. You can see it has Wi-Fi, Safaricom Wi-Fi. Yeah, that is it about that space. You can see the cooker is fitted here. That's a fully fitted kitchen. Yeah, there's the cooker fitted in there. I like it. Yeah, you have your tea, your sugar, your coffee. Very well arranged. The water is there. I like it. Soap, sink, everything is there. Fitted well. Yeah. There is a microwave. We have, yes, that is what is in there. More arrangement there. We have some papers for waste. I think that's for cleaning. Yeah, more drawers there. More drawers. That is it. Then here we have the fridge. We have the fridge here. Yeah, that's how it looks from here. I really like the space.
hiyo tumewekewa nusu chupa na iko na shimo katikati.
Nini hiyo? Oh. That's a scam. Hey, you can see the way it is opening well. Look. Yay! Better squad. It's looking. Hey, look at that arrangement. Look at this arrangement. Looking nice. And the sitting area looking like that. Table. TV area. There is that window and that car space. That place is looking so nice. We then have this 2-bedroom. The first bedroom on the left side. This is how it looks. Oh my god, looks so nice. I really like it. Yeah, then here outside we have a balcony, but we cannot see well because it is night. There is no lights there. Probably I'll show you in the morning how it looks. Then there we have a shower, another bathroom. They have the wardrobes. We have this very big mirror here. This mirror here. This mirror there. Yeah, it's a very big mirror. Another washroom. That's a bathroom. The bathroom, the washroom is there. Yeah. I really like it. Wow. Let me show you the other bedroom. This one on the right side. Though they look the same. Then the second bedroom. It looks like. Yeah, like that. Can see how beautiful it is. I love that piece of art. The chandeliers, so beautiful. There's some others on the wall. Let's see. Here's another balcony, that other side is the other mirror. This is a very big mirror. This is the other mirror. Let's see, let me put these lights on. Yeah, that's very beautiful. Yeah, this is a view from this side. I really love this space. It's very beautiful, very neat, very clean above all. It's very clean. This is a view from the mirror. You can see the mirror there, the wall mirror. It's very big. I love it. There is a wardrobe. Yeah. Here's the wardrobe. Let me see what is in here. Of course, nothing. We have our hangers there. The pillow. Another pillow down there. And some drawers. Drawers here. Yeah, storage. I like it. I like it very much. There. It's another storage. Yeah, like that. Okay. Guys, I really love this space. It's very beautiful. This for your dirty linen. Another one on the other bedside. Like that, yes. Wow, that is it. From the bedroom. That is it. Can see the chandelier from here, looking very beautiful. We have another door here to the washroom from one of the bedrooms here. There is this door here to the washroom. So it has two doors. The washroom has two doors here. One from the sitting room and then this one from one of the bedrooms. I've already shown you the bedroom. So that is it. We're going to spend our night here today with my family. This is where I'm going to spend my night with my family today. So guys, thank you so much for watching. In case you want me to plug on this space, you can let me know. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate your support. See you in my next one. Boys. You're happy?
Yeah.
Yes.
Very happy?
Yes.
Okay. All right. The balcony is very beautiful. Yeah, from the second bedroom. This balcony is bigger than the other one. Ingine ni ndogo kidogo. This one is very beautiful. I love it here. Look at that flower. This potted plant. This is what you see from the balcony. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. This is the view from the balcony. Love it. That is the space. That is what you get to see.